There's a man going round taking names,
and he decides who to free and who to blame.
Everybody won't be treated all the same.
There'll be a golden ladder reaching down
When the man
comes around. The hairs on your arm will stand up,
and the terror in it sit and sup.
will you partake of that last offered cup?
Or disappear into the potter's ground.
When the man comes around.
Hear the trumpets, hear the pipers, 100 million angels singing. Multitudes are marching to a big kettle drum. Voices calling, voices crying. Now some are born and some are dying.
It's Alpha and Omega, kingdom come.
And the whirlwinds and the thorn trees, and the virgins are all trimming their wicks. And the whirlwinds and the thorn trees, it's hard for thee to kick against the bricks. Till Armageddon, no shalom, no shalom. And the Father hen will call his children home. The wise man will bow down before the throne, and at his feet will cast down the golden crown. When the man comes around. Whoever is unjust, let him be unjust still. Whoever is righteous, let him be righteous still. Whoever is filthy, let him be filthy still. Listen to the words long written down. When the man comes around. Hear the trumpets, hear the pipers, 100 million angels singing. Multitudes are marching to a big kettle drum. Voices crying, voices calling. Now some are born and some are dying. It's Alpha and Omega's kingdom come. And the whirlwinds and the thorn trees,
And the virgins are all trimming their wicks.
and the whirlwinds and the thorn trees,
It's hard for me to kick against the bricks.
in measured 100 weights and a penny pound. When the man comes around. The man comes around.
And others are the ones whom seed was sown among the thorns.